Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Angel Tech. Today I am gonna show you how can I convert the black and white image into a colorful image. To do so, we don't need any software tools or anything. We just need the website to convert it. It's simple and it's an easy process to convert the photo. Firstly, we have to go to this website and the link is provided in the description below. In this website, we can convert our black and white photo into colorful image. So for an example, I'm gonna convert this sample image. These images are provided by this website. So just I'm clicking in this group of cows photo to convert it into colorful image. As you can see this, the image has been converted into colorful image. As you move the sliders, the purple line in the zone is the slider. As you move towards the right side, the image will be converted into black and white, and as you move the slider towards the left side, the image will be converted into colorful. So you can see how the image is clearly converted, but you may think that this is the default picture given by the website which can be converted. So I'm gonna show you some few more examples, and as you can download this image from this link and the comparison of this black and white and color from this. Simply I'm gonna search for the online photo. Let's take the example of this girl. You can also convert the online pics into colorized photo. So just I'm copying the URL of the image and pasting over here and pressing colorize it. As you can see that the image has been colorized, and you can see the comparison, how clearly the image has been converted, and there is no doubts or anything error in the pic. You can download it over here, and you can also upload your own image from your file or folder or from your computer just pressing over this link. I'm showing you this example about uploading too. Just I'm uploading this black and white image, and as you can see that this image is black and white and it has been converted into colorful, as you can see here. Simply you can download this image over here, and as you can see the download has been started, and the comparison can also be downloaded by pressing here. The comparison of the image may look like this, and the downloaded image may look like this. So how you can see that how clearly the image has been converted without any error and without any color mismatching. So in this way you can convert your black and white image into colorful image just by simply going to this website, and you can just find out this website link in the description below. So this much for today, and if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. And if you have any problem in the transferring your image, then please comment your problem, and I'll see you in the next video.